Have you ever wondered why so many large families are still stuck in cramped, outdated SUVs that make every road trip a battle for space in 2025? What if there's a hidden electric giant, the NIO ES8, that's quietly revolutionizing family travel with secrets Tesla and BMW don't want you to uncover? Let's dive straight into the heart of this new game changer. While everyone's buzzing about Tesla's Model X or BMW's 9, the third-generation NIO ES8, launched in August 2025, is stealing the spotlight with a massive 6.2 square meter cabin, the largest in its class, turning every journey into a rolling living room where your kids can stretch out without elbow wars. But here's the real twist. Starting at just $58,000, it's nearly half the price of a base Model X, which stickers at over $100,000, yet it delivers more headroom, legroom, and a third row, so spacious your teens won't complain about being squished. Picture loading up for a family vacation with a trunk that expands from 310 liters to a cavernous 1901 liters when the seats fold flat, complete with a hidden mini fridge for cold drinks and clever vertical cubbies to organize snacks, toys, and tablets. What most people don't know is that this isn't just about space. It's about transforming chaos into calm, with a 4.7 square meter panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light, making every drive feel like a scenic adventure that keeps everyone, from toddlers to grandparents, smiling. This changes everything for parents who are tired of hearing, "Are we there yet?" 10 minutes into the trip. But wait, the ES8's magic goes way beyond size. It's packed with tech that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Imagine a 48-inch skyline display stretching across the dashboard, paired with a 16.4-inch central touchscreen that's as easy to use as your phone, and a 27-speaker premium audio system that wraps your family in concert-quality sound. Perfect for those epic road trip sing-alongs. Here's a mini secret most reviewers skip. The ES8's triple LiDAR system and semi-autonomous driving tech handle highways with such precision, it's like having a co-pilot who never blinks, keeping your loved ones safer than ever. And what about range anxiety? The ES8 laughs in its face with a 900-volt platform enabling 5C ultra-fast charging, juicing up its standard 100 kilowatt-hour battery in under 15 minutes at compatible stations. Reddit threads from early adopters in Norway are lighting up, with drivers raving about its German-like build quality. No rattles or creaks even after thousands of kilometers, and its battery swap tech, which lets you swap a drained battery for a full one in less time than it takes to grab a coffee. This is a vehicle built for real families, not just tech geeks chasing horsepower. Now let's stack the curiosity even higher with something most people overlook. The ES8's Nomics AI assistant, which learns your family's preferences, from adjusting climate control for each passenger to suggesting kid-friendly playlists or even reminding you about that upcoming soccer practice. It's like having a personal concierge in your car, and it's a step ahead of Tesla's voice controls, which Reddit users say feel clunky by comparison. Another hidden gem? The ES8 Smart Air suspension, which smooths out bumpy roads like a magic carpet, making those long drives to grandma's house feel like a breeze, even with a car full of restless kids. Industry insiders are buzzing about NIO's new Aquila 2.0 sensor suite, which outperforms BMW's 9 in low-light conditions, giving you eagle-eyed visibility when driving through storms or at dusk. This isn't just a car, it's a fortress of comfort and safety designed to make family life easier. Here's where the surprising truths hit hard, tying back to why the NIO ES8 is the most perfect SUV for large families in 2025. It's not just a vehicle. It's a sanctuary that wraps your family in comfort, safety, and luxury, making every trip feel like a warm embrace. The ES8's plush seating for 6 or 7 uses sustainable vegan leather, rivaling BMW's 9, but with zero emissions to protect your kid's planet. Each seat offers adjustable lumbar support, heating, and ventilation, turning long drives into a spa-like experience, even in the third row, unlike most SUVs where it's a cramped afterthought. Reddit parents in Norway rave about the third row's 38 inches of legroom, 5 inches more than Tesla's Model X, calling it a lifesaver for teens with backpacks and gear. Safety is non-negotiable, with the ES8's ADAS earning a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, outscoring Tesla's Model X in pedestrian detection and lane keeping. Its triple LiDAR, 11 high-res cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors form a 360-degree safety bubble, reacting to hazards instantly. An ex-user praised its emergency braking for preventing a rainy day crash, calling it a guardian angel for my chaotic family trips. Compared to Tesla's Model X, the ES8 matches its 510 horsepower and 500-mile range, but at a staggering $58,000 versus Tesla's $100,000 plus price tag, making luxury accessible without breaking the bank. The third-row spaciousness is a game-changer, with enough room for adults, car seats, or even the family dog, as one Reddit mom described after a 1,200-mile trip with zero complaints from her kids, a feat unheard of in most SUVs. Industry buzz confirms this momentum, with over 50,000 pre-orders by September 2025, surpassing NIO's projections and signaling a seismic challenge to Tesla's dominance in the premium EV market. Consumer Reports praises the ES8 for its exceptional balance of performance and practicality, giving it a road test score of 92 out of 100 and a predicted reliability rating that rivals top-tier competitors like the Lexus RX. Unlike flashier EVs that lean on gimmicks, the ES8's German-inspired build quality, think tight panel gaps, no creaks, and a whisper-quiet cabin, ensures it's built to last, freeing you to focus on family memories instead of repair bills. And here's the kicker: NIO's exclusive battery swap tech, available at over 2,000 stations worldwide by late 2025, lets you swap a drained battery for a full one in under 5 minutes, a feature Tesla and BMW can't touch. Analysts on X predict the ES8 could capture 15% of the luxury EV market by 2026, with one auto journalist calling it the family SUV Tesla wishes it made. This blend of affordability, space, safety, and future-proof innovation makes the ES8 not just a competitor, but a category leader, redefining what large families can expect from an SUV in 2025. But let's get why this matters to you. Large families dread cramped seats, messy gear, and battery woes on road trips. The ES8 fixes that with a huge 6.2 square meter cabin, smart storage like foldable bins, and battery swaps in under 5 minutes. Over-the-air updates add features like better navigation without dealer visits. Experts on X call it the family SUV Tesla wishes it made. Compared to BMW's iX at $87,000, the $58,000 ES8 matches luxury and performance. Its vegan leather and recycled plastics cut emissions by 30%, per a 2025 Green Car Journal report, perfect for parents who want a cleaner future for their kids. Now I want to hear from you. Which feature blew your mind the most? Do you think the ES8 can truly take on Tesla and redefine the family SUV game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if this opened your eyes. Subscribe to Out of Cars channel for more EV secrets. And share this with every family who deserves a better ride.